everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shubha here. I hope you like my video. Please do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Today we are discussing about NABH 5th edition self-assessment toolkit evidences required for standards AAC 7 and 8. Standard AAC 7. There is an established laboratory quality assurance program. Departments and staffs involved in this activity are medical staff, nursing staff, laboratory technician and administrative staff. Objective element AAC 7A speaks about documented policies on quality assurance program. Evidences are QAP document, Quality Assurance Program document to address the department scope of services. SOP for internal QC, design and external quality peer evaluation. Training records should be maintained to all department staff. IQC and EQC results and data processing of the results. RCA root cause analysis and CAPA reports against incidents and audit findings. Patient and or staff feedback form and related analysis. Management and quality review meetings. Minutes of meeting should be documented. Objective element AAC 7B speaks about the verification and validation of test methods. Evidences, policy document on verification and validation, registers and or log report shall be updated, calibration certificates of equipment with scientific data, test calibration and acceptance data for all equipment. Objective element AAC 7C speaks about ensuring quality of test results. Evidences, QAP protocol across defined scope of services, SOP to perform surveillance of test results, laboratory technical competency records shall be maintained, training records should be updated in department staff personnel files. AAC 7D, Objective AAC 7D speaks about calibration and maintenance of equipment. Evidences, policy and procedures for calibration and maintenance of equipment, list of equipment with unique laboratory ID and period of calibration, calibration certificates with time frame, equipment files and labels on equipment, registers and or log report should be updated, list of CRMs with dates of expiry. Objective element AAC 7E speaks about the documentation of non-conformities and corrective action and preventive actions. Evidences are policy document on CAPA including the description of action proposed along with respective role of the concerned personnel. SOP for addressing NCs, registers and or log report of NCs and risk assessment with grading and mitigation plan. Objective element AAC 7F speaks about the quality improvement through clinico-pathological meetings. Evidences, formation of clinico-pathological meeting, roles, functions and frequency shall be indicated. Minutes of clinico-pathological meeting, agenda, discussion, points and outcome shall be recorded. Patient medical record, relevant records capturing the outcome of the meeting. Next, Standard AAC 8. There is an established laboratory safety program. The departments and the staffs involved in this activity are medical team, nursing staff, paramedical, lab staffs and administrative staff. Objective element AAC.8 speaks about the establish and maintain mandatory documents, evidences, policy on laboratory safety program with a detailed scope to include the departmental functioning and safety aspects. SOP uh, on related safety measures, employees and machines. Administrative and clinical scope of work to be covered in SOPs. Checklist and or formats to ensure safety measures. Administrative and clinical activities involved shall have checklist. Use of PPE, observation and interview. Personal records. Immunization records are maintained in personal files. Training records. Staff induction and regular training records should be maintained. Employee competency records. Credentials and privileging document apart from staff qualification and experience certificates should be maintained. Objective element AAC.8b speaks about the working in line with organization safety program. Evidences. Organization's safety manual shall be maintained against the scope of services it offers and general safety policies towards setting up a safety environment. Laboratory safety manual. Laboratory functioning aligning to the safety measures adopted at the organization level. Safety audit report should be documented against defined tools. Staff training records, induction and ongoing records, all staffs and department staffs should be maintained. Policies and protocols across related safety concerns, SOPs should be documented. Hospital Safety Committee and minutes of meeting. Formation of the committee and meeting proceedings should be recorded. Objective element AAC.8c speaks about the competency and training standards. Evidences. Personal training records. Induction and ongoing training records shall be maintained. Employee orientation program. Training materials will be documented. Safety drills and demonstration. Documentation to support the drill conducted. Safety audit records should be documented against defined tools. Objective element AAC.8d speaks about the appropriate safety measures. Evidences. Availability of PPE within the department, inventory and register should be maintained. Use of PPE, observation and interview. Personal records. Immunization records are maintained in personal file. SOPs. Standard precaution on usage and disposal of PPE should be followed. Safety audit report should be documented against defined tools. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Please do share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.